Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas to everyone who is celebrating it, and also Happy New Year's, because this is probably gonna be my last video. I know, 3 videos a week? Who is he? But yeah, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be what I got for Christmas 2020. Wow, I'm in the future. 2019. But I wanted to make a disclaimer that this video has no intention of like showing off, of bragging off, or yada yada yada. This is just purely for just entertainment, and also because in YouTube there's a lot of videos about like what I got for Christmas, right? And I really love watching those kind of videos. Once again, disclaimer, this video has no intention of showing off, bragging off, yada yada yada. I wish you a very Merry Christmas to everyone who did not get presents because maybe their parents couldn't afford it. I wish a big Merry Christmas to people who are celebrating it alone and couldn't afford to go back home. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a what I got for Christmas 2019 edition. I've never done this, I think. Wait, I'm not sure. Maybe I should like check my old videos. But I really want to do one. I really wanted to do one because I loved watching YouTubers do these kind of videos, because I just love watching people open gifts and like reacting to it. I just think it's really fun. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get into the video. I'm not gonna lie, most of the gifts that I got are actually from my mom. So the first two things that I got are, I got 2 scented candles from Bath and Body Works. I love scented candles. The first one is cinnamon caramel swirl. It has this really sweet caramel scent. I really like it a lot. Second one I got is actually cinnamon spice vanilla. I love vanilla, I love cinnamon, I love anything that's sweet and chocolatey. I don't like roses or like candy scented. I prefer more like kind of dessert kind of scented. For me, scented candles are such a good thing because I use them a lot, and like they last me for like quite some time, like 6 months plus. And also these were like discounted for like 50% off. So next thing that I got is from Pull & Bear. It is this black leather wallet. I've been needing a wallet because my wallet is damaged and horrible. I like a simple black leather, fake leather, because you know, don't support animal cruelty. I just like it. It's simple and black and leather. I love black. Thank you, mom, again. Well, I'm gonna be saying thank you, mom, throughout this entire video. The next thing that I got is, oh, this one I'm so excited about. This is a tripod. I think it's called gorilla tripod or like octopus tripod, something. I love this kind of tripod. My friend Ari, he has one, and I saw him bringing this to campus, and I just looked at him and, where did you get that? These were so cheap. I only bought them for 100,000 rupiah, 100,000 rupiah. I was about to buy it online, which I assume was cheaper, and it was pretty cheap, but it was like around 150, 140. This was only 100 only, so I think this is such a good deal, and you get the thingy-majob. I can't wait to be using this because this is so good for like, not this, I don't think this is for camera, or maybe it could be for camera. I have to figure it out. But this is more for like iPhone, and I do like to vlog on my iPhone because it's much more easier and compatible to bring instead of a camera. So this is so nice. It also feels so official, like, ooh, YouTuber S, yes. And the last but not least, I guess, because this is actually the last thing I got for Christmas, is this jacket from H&M. This is, oh, I love this jacket so much. And this was the last size, the last piece of my size they had. Imagine that. I was already so sad. I thought they didn't have my size, but look at this nice green. Is this corduroy? Yeah, I think this is corduroy. This nice green corduroy jacket with like a white fleece as a white fleece collar. I think this looks so good. This is really good. I love jackets in general, so it's so comfy. It's a little bit warm because I live in Jakarta, and it's basically always summer, so. But you know, if I'm going to somewhere cold, or if I just feel like I want to style not based from the weather, it definitely keeps me warm because I don't have anyone to snuggle with. That's all I got for Christmas 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, once again, this video was not meant to brag or anything like that. I just love doing these kind of videos. I love watching these kind of videos, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. 2019 has been such a great year so far. Like YouTube wise, I hit 1K, so that's like a big milestone for me. I had my first theater performance in college this year. Met a lot of amazing, wonderful friends that I know will be my friends for a very long time. And I just have so much things to be grateful for. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, comment down below what you guys got for Christmas. I would love to know what you guys got for Christmas. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. And I guess I'll see you guys in 2020, yeah? Okay, yeah, that's so weird and cringy. Wow. Bye.